Giving a shout out on stream is one of the best ways to appreciate your viewers who add value to your stream. But let's take it a bit further and let me show you how you can have Mix It Up shout out viewers automatically. Synergy here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a shoutout command and use it to shout out a viewer during a raid event automatically. Starting with a basic shoutout command, you will want to open up Mix It Up and click the menu on the top left hand side and select commands. In this menu, you have an option between pre-made commands and custom commands. For this command, you will want to select custom commands and then select new command at the bottom. A command editor window will pop up, and to begin, we will need to name our command. This will give us an identifier to let us know that this is the shoutout command. Next, we will need to create the chat trigger. This is going to be the command that the moderator or streamer will use to trigger the command. For this, we will just use SO. Also make sure that the auto include exclamation is checked or the command will not work. For the command group, you can create any group you like. For me, I labeled it as basic commands. Mentioned before, we want to make sure this command can only be triggered by either the moderator or streamer. To do this, you'll want to click the person icon with the key and select moderator under the role drop-down menu. Under the action drop-down menu, you will select chat message and click the add button to begin building the command. In this block, you will check send a streamer, and in the chat message space provided, you may type out a shout-out message to your liking as long as you use the highlighted identifiers. For other identifiers, you can click the special identifiers reference. Once you have typed the message to your liking, go ahead and click the save button below. Now that we have our shoutout command saved and ready to be used, head back to the menus on the left and select events. Under the events, select Twitch and then add command under where it is labeled Twitch channel rated. Since I have this event completed, I will break it down for you, and you can customize any of these blocks to your liking. Under this window editor, we will begin by adding two overlays, both image and video, to our build. The first overlay will be our image, and you can choose an image from your PC or insert a URL. The second overlay will be your text overlay. In this overlay, you will want to type in username has rated you in the text space provided. You can customize this message as you please as long as you use the correct identifiers. Next, in the action drop-down menu, select sound. In this block, you can add sound from your PC and adjust the volume as needed. Next, you'll want to add a wait command for 10 seconds, but you can adjust the seconds however long you want. After the wait command is added, you'll want to add a chat message that says our shoutout command. And then after the command, we'll add another wait command for the same amount of seconds as before. After the second wait command is added, you'll want to add in another chat message that says something along the lines of thanking the user for rating the channel and welcoming the raiders. Once this is completed, go ahead and click save. To verify that you successfully created the event, click on the play icon. If done correctly, your event should play and push the shoutout command to your chat, along with welcoming the raiders. Creating an automated shoutout feature for your channel is a great way to express appreciation for those special events like raiding. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create automated shoutouts for your channel using Mix It Up. If you found this information helpful, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe for future tutorials. And I'll catch you in the next video.